Hey guys, within this video I'm going to show you how to customize your table appearance, your cards and chat on Pokerstars mobile. Okay, so it's the exact same thing for either Android or iOS. In this case I'm using an iOS device. I'm going to log into Pokerstars, transfer the poker session to this device, and there we are, we're logged into the account. And so what we can do here is basically, if we go down to cash games, you can see sort of my current setup for how the table looks and everything. It's got a green felt with a black background. Let's leave the game here. But if we wanted to go over and change the appearance of how the table looks and a bunch of other different options as well in the settings, you can go over to the bottom right, the account section, and from there go over to the gear icon settings near the bottom of the screen. And this gives you a bunch of different options. So the very first one is sound. You can have the sound either on or off, the different toggle switch right there. Auto convert currencies, that'll take you into this little section. Always convert currencies automatically without confirmation entering a game or placing a bet. I would suggest leaving this on. From there, go down to the poker section, and this is going to give you so many different options on how to change the appearance. So 4-color deck is a really big one. I would suggest turning that on, because if you don't have that on, it's essentially just going to show your cards as in hearts are red, diamonds are red, clubs and spades are black, just a standard 52 card deck color scheme. But when you have 4-color deck, you can see exactly what suits you have in your hand very easily. If you're using multiple tables, let's say you're doing 2 tables at the same time, playing 2 games or 4 games or even 10 games at the same time, having 4-color deck on makes it much easier. From there, stacking big blinds. If you turn that off, let's say you buy in for $10 to a cash game, you would see your stack as $10. But if you turn this toggle on, the stack in big blinds, that will show your stack as, let's say, 100 big blinds, which is pretty easy to understand as well. From there, you can have color-coded stacks, cash games, color-coded stacks in tournaments, color-coded actions, auto-rebuy in cash games, automatically muck hands, auto switch table, which is really good, because that will basically prompt you to go to the table that needs action first. Throwables, you can either turn these on or off. Throwables are basically when you're sitting at a poker table and you want to throw an animation of like something at another player, you can do that. Card animations, bounty animations, rabbit hunt. If you have a very slow device and it takes up a lot of processing power, maybe turning off some of these animations could help your system run a lot faster. Card sorting, winning hand animations, run it twice. You can run it twice. Default on, always, never, whatever. Prestige, ambient table sounds. So this is very interesting in here, the preset betting amounts. Basically, you can have these all set up before you even enter a game, because say that you want every time that you raise into a pot before the flop, you could come in here and say 3 big blinds will be your standard raise amount, and then post flop you could say 50% is going to be your basic betting pattern, or maybe 40%, something like that. If you go to max, you could even say like 98% of the pot, something like that. And this is how you change your preset betting amounts there. So guys, there's a lot of different options as well. You can go over to sports, privacy settings, marketing and communications, email, live support, language, connected accounts, information. And there you go, guys. This has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks.